Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chicken fajita casserole. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm Jennifer Bands and I help home cooks make keto friendly meals the whole family will love. Today we're going to be making my creamy chicken fajita casserole, and we're going to start off by cutting up some some red and yellow bell peppers. You could use green too if you want. We're going to cut these just how you would for a fajita, which is in strips like so. So I'm going to cut these into strips, and then I'm going to chop up my onion. And the onion is going to be cut the same way in thin slices. Okay, I'm going to move on to the yellow bell pepper. So I'm calling this, or I call this, a creamy chicken fajita casserole because we put cream cheese in it, which is different, but it is so delicious. So we put cream cheese in it, and then we cover it with cheese, cheddar cheese, and let it melt, and it's amazing. Out of this world. You're gonna love it. Okay, our peppers are done. We can move on to the onion. I'm gonna cut the ends off. I'm gonna slice it in half, and then I'm just gonna cut it into thin slices. Okay, onions are done. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the chicken breast. We're gonna just cut them into thin slices. And you can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe, but since I like to use chicken breast because it's already got the rich cream cheese and the cheddar cheese, so I like to use a leaner cut of chicken, but whichever one you want, it's up to you. Okay, we got our chicken all sliced into strips, and now we're gonna work on cooking our vegetables. I've got a heavy bottom pot here, a large pot that has a lid that we'll need at the end of the recipe. So I'm gonna put some oil in there. I use avocado oil, and we're going to saute these vegetables until they're still crisp, but they're cooked, and just to kind of take a little bit of crispness off of them. And then we're going to cook the chicken. Okay, these are looking good. I'm gonna pull them out and put them into a bowl. The reason why we do this and we don't cook them with the chicken is because all of this stuff in the pan would just crowd the pan, and then our chicken would just steam and our vegetables would just steam, and they wouldn't get any brown on them at all. So it's good to cook things separately. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to the pan. Got a really hot pan. So I'm gonna add the chicken. And I'm gonna season them with our seasonings. We've got salt, smoked paprika, cumin, lots of cumin, and garlic powder. So we can just stir this up and let these start to cook through. It should take about 5 to 8 minutes or so. Okay, our meat is looking good, so I'm going to add in the cream cheese. I'm going to let that melt in, and I'm also going to use the cream cheese, the moisture from the cream cheese, to get any of the brown stuff off of the bottom of the pan. I'm going to start stirring this in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and peppers back to the skillet. Stir those in. Okay, our final step is to top this with some shredded cheddar cheese. And then we're going to cover it with the lid to let the cheese melt. And then this is ready to go. Okay, this is ready to go, and it is looking amazing. Now, if you don't have a heavy bottom pot with a lid like that, you can just put this under the broiler. It would probably work better, actually. So this is all ready, and look at this cheesy, chickeny amazingness. Guys, make sure you check out my other keto takeout recipes in this playlist right here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.